Long before the morning sun touches the clouds, a new journey begins. No engines, no propellers, just the incredible power of heated air. This is the unseen assembly of a hot air balloon, a silent giant waiting to take flight. Every journey begins with its vessel. We begin by unrolling the massive envelope, a durable patchwork of fabric meticulously stitched to contain the magic of flight. At this stage, it is a vast, beautiful canvas without shape. Next, we attach the heart of the journey, the wicker basket. This deceptively simple structure is the command center and gondola, carefully secured to the balloon by strong cables and carabiners. Now for the engine. The powerful propane burners are mounted directly above the basket. This is the source of the balloon's lift, a precise system designed to produce a controlled flame that will heat the air and defy gravity. With the parts connected, we begin the cold inflation. A powerful fan is used to fill the envelope with cool air, transforming the vast sheet of fabric into its intended magnificent form. The sleeping giant begins to awaken. And now for the final, magical act. With a few blasts from the burners, the air inside heats up, becoming lighter than the air outside. The balloon rises majestically and gracefully, a silent, powerful monument to the laws of physics. The assembly is complete. The adventure has begun. We've built a machine that dances with the wind. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.